Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Mexc or Mexc account directly to your bank account. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, head over to the app and log in. Alright, so tap on your wallet at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the spot section. Then after that, just tap transfer. So by default, it sets to future account, but you will need to switch to Byte account. Alright, so select the crypto you want to cash out, for example, USDT. Type in the amount and hit transfer. This move your funds to F2P section. So if this is your first window, we'll go to your profiles, then payment settings, and add your bank account details. This will be used to receive the money directly into your bank. Alright, now head back to the home screen, then tap F2P trading, and then switch over to the sell tab. Now choose your crypto, and select a verify buyer from the list, or just use quick trade to get much automatically. Enter how much you want to sell and confirm the order. The buyer will transfer the money straight to your bank account. Once you have received the fund, go back to Mexc and tap I have confirmed your payment to release your crypto. Alright, so that's it. Your money now is in your account. Alright, thanks for watching.